Hi folks, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving in the most interesting topic which will blow your mind. Doctors hate this. Top 5 anti-aging foods that will keep you looking young. In the quest for eternal youth, many of us turn to expensive creams, serums, and medical procedures. However, the key to staying youthful and vibrant may lie in something as simple as your diet. Here, we unveil the top 5 anti-aging foods that can help you look and feel young, no matter your age. 1. Green tea. Green tea has been celebrated for centuries for its health benefits, and its anti-aging properties are truly remarkable. This beverage is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which help combat inflammation and protect your skin from the harmful effects of UV radiation. The polyphenols in green tea can improve the elasticity of your skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Regular consumption of green tea can also boost your metabolism and support weight management, which can be a contributing factor to a youthful appearance. Sip on a cup of green tea in the morning or afternoon to harness its rejuvenating benefits. 1. Blueberries. 2. Avocados. Avocado lovers rejoice. These creamy green fruits are not only delicious but also excellent for your skin. Avocados are a great source of monounsaturated fats, which are healthy fats that nourish and hydrate your skin. These fats help maintain the integrity of your skin's outermost layer, preventing moisture loss and keeping your skin soft and supple. They also contain vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your skin from UV damage and premature aging. Whether you're enjoying avocado toast for breakfast, adding slices to your salad, or making a nourishing face mask, avocados are a must for your anti-aging arsenal. 3. Salmon. Salmon, a fatty fish, is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are not only beneficial for your heart but also work wonders for your skin. Omega-3s help maintain your skin's lipid barrier, keeping it hydrated and preventing dryness. This means fewer wrinkles and a youthful, glowing complexion. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s can reduce redness and puffiness, making your skin look more even-toned. Incorporating salmon into your diet 2 to 3 times a week can provide your body with the omega-3s it needs to maintain a youthful appearance. 4. Spinach. Popeye's favorite, spinach, is a nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. These nutrients are vital for healthy, youthful skin. Vitamin C, in particular, plays a crucial role in collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin's elasticity. Spinach also contains iron, which helps in the transportation of oxygen to your skin cells, resulting in a healthy, radiant complexion. Incorporating spinach into your meals, whether in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes, can do wonders for your skin and overall well-being. 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are often referred to as nature's little powerhouses, and for good reason. These tiny, vibrant berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and free radicals, 2 major contributors to aging. They protect your skin from the inside out, reducing the signs of premature aging. Blueberries also promote healthy brain function, enhancing memory and cognitive abilities as you age. They are a versatile addition to your diet, whether you sprinkle them on your morning cereal, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy a handful as a snack. Incorporating these top 5 anti-aging foods into your daily diet can be a delicious and effective way to support your quest for youthful living. Remember, it's not just about looking young, but feeling healthy and full of energy as you age. So, embrace blueberries, salmon, spinach, avocados, and green tea, and let them be your allies in the journey to a more youthful you. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to ask any question in the comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and stay young.